Online class for kids.
Hello there! Welcome to another exciting episode here at Online Class for Kids. Are you enjoying the scenery? It's beautiful, isn't it? Not only are plants beautiful, but they are also important for our survival. Let's put on our nature hats and explore the incredible world of plants together. Plants are living things that can be found all around the world. They mostly grow from the soil and use sunlight to produce food. Like humans, plants also have basic needs. Plants need light, air, water, nutrients, and space to grow, to survive. Plants are very important as they produce the very air that we breathe. Without the oxygen produced by plants, we humans would have a hard time breathing. We can narrow down the types of plants into two groups: flowering plants and fruit-bearing plants. Flowering plants, or angiosperms, are plants that produce flowers. The flowers of a plant serve as their reproductive organs. Through pollination, the flowers produce seeds that end up on the ground and will grow to become another flowering plant. A rose is an example of a flowering plant. On the other hand, fruit-bearing plants are plants that produce fruit. A common example of these is trees. Most fruit trees take a long time to produce fruit. It may take down anywhere from several years to even a decade. An apple tree is an example of a fruit-bearing tree. Plants can also be categorized based on their size. Herbs are considered the smallest as they are only a few centimeters tall. Herbs are filled with vitamins and minerals, so they are often used when cooking. Shrubs are plants that are slightly bigger than herbs. Rosemary is an example of a shrub. Creepers are types of plants that snake the ground. They are very fragile and often cannot stand straight. Plants like watermelon are examples of creepers. And finally, plants that grow upwards are called climbers. They usually snake around walls like grapevines. Plants make our planet so much more beautiful. They are like magic items that exist to produce food and give us precious oxygen to breathe. Let's keep appreciating the wonders of plants. I hope you had a wonderful time learning about plants. Visit onlineclassforkids.com for more fun learning videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.